every time I turn on my car, this is what it shows me.
Working on cars never works as you plan, so let's see what we have today in store. I don't want to jinx it, I just know that every time I'm trying to work on my car, something gets in the way and complicates things. So the subject today would be to tackle those front ABS sensors, and hopefully that would be the problem with the light in the dash. Hopefully.
So all you have to do is take your wheel off, and there it is. This is the wire, and that's the sensor. So I have to unscrew that screw over there, and then change that. And there's two ways you can do this. One is what I did. I just took the actual sensor. I think this is the part number, I'm not sure. Anyway, I took the sensor, or you can have the whole thing, the sensor, the wiring, all the way up to where it goes in the engine bay. But I chose the cheapest one, so let's try it. Working on cars, it's easy on paper, easy to say, but it's very hard in practice. If you worked on a car before, you'll realize I'm right. So finally, after about 15 minutes of struggle, I got it out. But these sensors don't tend to stop function very often, right? So because they stay in here in all the conditions, you know, rain, snow, whatever, they get to look like this. Why? Because this is metal, iron actually, and at some point it starts to rust, and the rust will get between the sensor and itself, so it's kind of glued in there. But with determination, you can get it out. Coffee break. So in comparison, this is how they look like. That's the new one, this is the old one obviously, but they're both the same, as you can see. So I won't have any problems. Look, even the pins are exactly the same. So yeah, this is the right part. So it is in there, as you can see. Just have to take this and just plug it in there until it clicks, but it will be a bit difficult. Did it click? I didn't hear it. Yep, it clicked, but it didn't make a big noise like they used to. But I can't pull it out, so yeah, it's all in there. Fingers crossed. Like I said, this is my issue, and I'll get rid of that dash light that I showed you. Anyway, I'll start moving on the other side, and after that I'll check it in the dash. So this was on the left side and this was on the right side, as you can see. So if you take a look at this,
hey yo, what the fuck?
That's crazy. I think this is the original one, because I'm saying that because this looks like the one I bought, same color, and I think this is the original, and on the left side it was changed already, and if you look at it, it's not that bad. Focus. Yeah, but being the original since 2011, it happened a lot. So I think this was the problem, and I hope this was the problem, but I'll see, and I'll let you guys know.
So the work is done. I changed both ABS sensors, brand new. They fit quite nice, as you've seen. I pulled out my scanner, iCarSoft Volume 2, deleted the codes, and dash still shows me those lights. So if this is not too early to say it didn't work, because I haven't driven my car since then. So my problem is deeper, which goes to the ABS pump, which is quite expensive. But as I said, I have to drive my car and see if the codes will go off, or they still gonna stay on my dashboard, and that will mean it's the pump. Only time will tell, so stay tuned for that. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.